Morning everyone. We're excited to be part of an amazing project that's been happening here. We've just completed doing an inspection for a 10-kilometer pipeline coming from Zealand water treatment plant all the way to Marapong communities. So our initial inspection involved checking the original pipe and see what used to be sitting there. The pipe was originally factory coated with bitumen, but during our first inspection we noticed that the bitumen was falling off and it was cracking, and there were sections where we could see the rust and corrosion products in the pipe. So the contractors went on and cleaned on the pipes, and we came back again and did a 10-kilometer inspection of the whole network to make sure that all the bitumen was taken out. Now we've just finished inspecting the 10-kilometer line, making sure that the mortar cement lining that was done correctly. We are now confident that the people of Marapong, the people of Matimba Mine, and all the communities that are around there will have safe, clean drinking water going forward. Thank you.